I did go to CVS because I had like a $10 coupon that I wanted to use. And I saw this. They finally got the coffee lip balms out. And this year it's maple, which I can't stand maple. Apple cider. I don't like apple. They have pumpkin and they had chai. And I love chai. So I got the chai. And then I want to tell you a funny story. Um, my God, they have lip. You know, I collect lip balms, and I mean, they've got almost every flavor out there. They have all these different. Especially if you go to Claire's, you'll find them. When I was a teenager, or yeah, about pre-teenager, teenager, I used to love Frosted Flakes. I would have it for breakfast, for lunch, and as a snack. I would eat that thing all day, and I would, I would have my dinner. But I love, love, love my Frosted Flakes. That my friend, my best friend at the time, she said that she had a dream that because I had a pool. My mom and her sister, my aunt, invested in a 3-foot pool, so that because my aunt worked, and so my mom took care of my cousins, her nephews, her sister's boys, and so we all be playing in the pool. And she said, my best friend said, that she dreamt that the pool was a bowl of milk with Frosted Flakes, and that she was a strawberry and I was trying to eat her. And she kept swimming away, and that I was trying to eat her. And I just found that hilarious. And then I saw at HEB a Frosted Flakes lip balm. I could not believe it. It doesn't really taste like it, but I thought that was cute. And it's weird. The lip balm is flat, but I mean, it tastes sweet, but I don't really think it tastes like Frosted. But then again, I don't think I've had Frosted Flakes for a very long time. I think I might have had some last year, because we got my son might have got a free box from he goes to the food pantry at school and picks up stuff. So I just thought that was too cute to pass up. So anyway, that's that.